Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter properties on AirDNA. So, for example, let's say you're looking at properties in Oklahoma City for sale. You come here at the top right, you'll see this option that says for sale. If you click on this now, you can filter them. So let's look at houses that let's keep the listing price range open. Okay, broad like that. And let's show all the properties. Let's show houses that are at least one bedroom to let's do two bedroom. Bathroom at least one. We can keep it 1 to 2 bathrooms, and you can go ahead and change the square feet as well, time on market, or if you want, you can just go ahead and click on apply, and now this would filter properties. As you can see, the number went down to only about 176 properties. So here we go, 2 bed, 2 bath, $215,000, yield of about 10.7%. Or of course, if you want to look at the STR listings, you can do that as well, the short-term rental listings. Now, to filter it, all you need to do is come here, click on amenities. Okay. Now you can go ahead and filter with amenities if you want, but usually you can come here on listing and change it to first the accommodation, how many people you want it to accommodate. I usually leave this. I focus more on bedrooms right here. So let's say you're only looking for 1 bedrooms, you can do 1 bedroom to 1 bedroom basically. And then bathrooms, we can do at least 1 bathroom, right? And you can go ahead and look at listings, for example, the entire place or shared rooms, private rooms. I'll just usually do a view all, and real estate type also just do view all. You can go ahead and customize if you want. So I can apply this, and let's see the number of STR listings, only about 1,000 right now. All of these are 1 bedroom. And if you want to filter this even further, you can change it here. You can come here, and right now it's showing by revenue, the highest revenue, properties. You can change it to, for example, review counts, and you will see properties with the highest number of reviews. This one has about 1,146 reviews. Wow. This has been there for a while in the market, 4.7 rating, which is really good. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.